Hi, welcome to this Let It Out 100 video series. A few years back, I was at the training event and the speaker before me was doing some improv exercises for the audience. He did something very interesting. At the end of his speech, he gave everyone a balloon and told everyone to write their names on the balloon. And then there was an adjacent room just next to this room. And he kept all those balloons in those rooms. Then he told the audience, okay, now go into that room and get the balloon with your name and come back in this room. Interesting. He gave some time, but what happened is, after the allotted time, when the people came back, only a handful of them were able to find the balloon with their name. Now he said, now you do one thing. Go back to the same room again. Pick a balloon that you have in your hand. Read the name and give it to the person whose name it is on. They did that. Within minutes, each one of them got the balloon with their name in hand. An interesting story happened that day. You know what? Our lives have all been like this. Because when this audience went onto the room at the first time to find their own balloons, they were dashing on each other and banging on each other and trying to find where their name with the balloon is, and they were never successful. And in life, we always are not sure where the happiness lies. And we keep on searching it in places where it's not defined for us to be there. Because life is not what you think it is what is you adopt in a subconscious mind. That is what it is. But the second time, when they went there and gave the balloon to respective names, they realized that happiness, finding, searching is all about giving. And in life, if you give back something, you'll always get back. This is a small story which happened. Probably there's a lesson in this for you also. Start giving somewhere, because our happiness lies in the happiness of others. It might be your employees, it might be your family members, it might be your friends. Giving is everything, and I urge you, start giving today. I'll check you out in the next series. Thank you.